Hi, I'm Hannah Kelly. It's March 1st, 2020, and I'm doing the sheep heart dissection. I'm just going to put on a new pair of gloves.
Mountain sheep. So it's got that nice little Tuesday that comes right from the mountain over here. I went out to forage. I ate the cheese.
Okay.
These two dishes are
So I'm going to start with the sheep heart pretty much as a whole and hold it together. Up here we have the aorta right here, the aorta, and we have the brachiocephalic artery. Coming down we have the right auricle right here, the right ventricle, the posterior interventricular sulcus is this line right here. It's coming down. Over here it's the left ventricle, and then we move up to the left auricle. The pulmonary veins, I put the spheres through the pulmonary veins so they're easy to locate. There is still a little bit of tissue on top there. And then in here we have the pulmonary arteries. You can see right here, pulmonary arteries. And then I'm going to move down, and I'm going to do the inside. So this is the left side. I open up the heart. Again. In here, Cal. In here is the bicuspid valve. You can see right here. Bicuspid valve. The papillary muscle is all in here. You can see these little thread-like is the bicuspid valve. The left ventricular wall is right here. Left ventricular wall. The chordinae tendinae is right here. If you can see. And I'm going to keep going down. I'll show you. If you open up here, I did a little bit too far. And in here we have the right atrium. The right auricle is right here. The right ventricular wall. And the papillary muscle, just like on this side.